Alright, this is my first try with audio. So, we're going to try challenging this guy on extreme difficulty. Ooh, and he set up notes to be on. So, we'll try one with auto notes. So, the first thing I do is page through the auto notes to see if there's any obvious things to clear. So, therefore, we can't be in these lines, and we've got to be there. Can't be in any of these positions. Oh, and look, now that has to be a 3. And those can't be 4s. We got 5s. These can't be 6s. Oh, that's a perfect one to know for 8s. And then we know a 9. And then we do this a couple times, cycling through all the numbers, just till we make sure we get all the low-hanging fruit. And then we can move on to harder solutions, if we even need them, because this app tends to have wildly varying difficulties, even for extreme missions, some of which don't require you to do very much thinking at all if you set up your notes. So this one's a slightly advanced solution in that I'm relying on my 2s in an X-wing pattern to eliminate this one. And this one. Where did I take them from? There and there. Yeah. So we're going to take out those 2 2s. And then we got some 4s. We got a known 6 there, there. And a known 7 there. So that's all well and good. Check through the 1s, check through the 2s. Nothing immediately obvious, nothing immediately obvious. Nothing immediately obvious. So we're going to start with the 2s for the next, because it's got the most opportunities for behavior. So we're going to start in the upper right box and see if we can't do a chain around the 2s to see if there's any information we gleaned. So that one means it's that one, means it's that one, and requires you to be that one. So it means one of those 2 and one of those 2. That one requires it to be that one and that one, which leaves you at one of those 2 and one of those 2. One of those 2 and one of those 2. This one left you one of those 2, one of those 2, so it can't be a 2 there. But that's the only information I have about the 2s from themselves. 4s, 7s. Do the 1s carry any information about themselves? That one doesn't. That one tells me that one, that one. And that one tells me those, but those don't carry any self-referential information. So now we've got to look for more complicated patterns. So now instead of looking on the individual numbers, I'm looking through rows and columns for naked pairs, or other types of solutions. So, in this row, we have a situation where the 3 highlighted blocks have to have all the 1s, 2s, and 6s, and you can't have 1, 2s, or 6s outside of those 3. So I can eliminate some possibilities. At which point now, that means that, means that, means that, means that one. That one means that one. Can eliminate that as a possibility. So if that one means that one, means that one, means that one. That one means that one, means that one, means that one. It's not that one, which means that one, which means that one, means that one. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And now we're very much in the end game of just filling in the blanks. Boom.